Yeah, so there's something I don't like, and it's been bugging me. When I put these Unibiker radiator braces on, if you can see right in there, you can see how very close it is to the thermostat bypass, or thermostat hose connection, whatever we want to call it. And I wrapped some tie wraps around it to protect it, but it's kind of in the same situation that this hose is in. It's too close, and there's a chance that it could hit if the radiator gets moved. I mean, they're very solid on there with these braces, but it just bugs me. And who needs a thermostat anyways on a dirt bike? I mean, really, come on. Another emissions thing, I guess. Anyways, I'm going to replace that. This isn't going to be a how-to video. I'll just show you when that's done. And I'm going to use those Tusk replacement hoses. They're great quality, half the price, less than half the price of some of the name brand hoses, and just as good quality. If you want to see a how-to on it, there's a great video I found, and I'll link that in the description. So if you want to see a how-to on it, but you know, it's replacing radiator hoses. Basically, there's a bypass that fits in here, I'll show you, and this gets rid of all this, and then there's a couple hoses to fit in. While I'm here, I'm going to replace that exhaust that got warped when we were hydro straightening it, and it'll make it easy to get to this hose with the exhaust off. But I have a Lexx header to replace it with. Anyways, see when it's done. Well, there's the hoses. Much simpler, no more conglomeration of thermostat bypass and all that. So that's the hoses in. Here's the hose protection I came up with to keep it off the bolt and to keep it off the edge of the radiator brace. Let me swing you around this side. That's it. All right, I'll put things together and put the exhaust on and refill the radiators and back in action. There's the new Lexx pipe and Flatlands Racing guard. It's a nice aluminum guard. It's really thick and hardy, unlike the Tusk one. Job done. I'm gonna take it for a ride, get it all tested out, and I'm running the new Slavens tuned ECU. See how that goes. Bye. A quick rundown. Everything looks good. No leaks, no runs, no drips, no errors. The reason why I put this Lexx pipe on is because that stock one up there is way out of shape, and I kind of had to Mickey rig it to get it in, and I just don't want that on a new bike. So these pipes are a lot thicker. Plus I have the Flatlands guard on there now, and that's gonna make this pipe way more protected. Hopefully this one will last. Anyways, my dog is trying to get me to play with the ball. Quick rundown on the Slavens ECU. They went blasting around up and down the roads around here. No more flat spots. Real good acceleration. I'm about 4 1/4 turns out on the air screw. It was breaking up a little bit, like getting rich, surging a little bit with it turned in to wherever the factory had it, but it seems pretty good now. It seems real good now. It's real quick on the throttle, no flat spots, and more oil, so the engine's good, the engine's safe, idling, starting perfect. Amen. All right, later.